I'm Jacob Ora. This is my second time here in Kyrgyzstan, and the Silk Road Mountain Race is a 2,000 kilometer off-road, essentially mountain bike race where you're riding double track and through super remote parts of Kyrgyzstan. It's an incredibly beautiful country. You have a fixed route, so you follow it and you go through checkpoints and things like that. And you get to experience all the beauties and all the weather and get to see all the people of Kyrgyzstan, which is super unique.
Congratulations, you got 14th overall.
Yep.
Finished the race in 9 days, 9 hours and 45 minutes. What was your favorite part of the race or your best experience?
My highlight for the race for sure was coming over the final pass down to the lake. It was a full day of hiking my bike up this super steep mountain. And when you get to the top, there's this cool sign up at the top, and you kind of take a minute and you get to reflect on all the miles.
Also, I understand that you were here in 2021 in the Kyrgyz Republic when you were 16.
Yep.
Also did the Silk Road Mountain Race then. Have you noticed anything different, or how is the country changed since you were here last? Or
being in Bishkek for the second time was actually really cool, because when I came here it was right after the main pandemic, and it was kind of still, people were still wearing masks and everything. When I was here there wasn't a lot of people outside or anything, but when I came here my second time, I got to go see the malls and all the statues and everything, all the new buildings. Like, there's so much new infrastructure, and just seeing everyone driving around and like how much like Bishkek really has to offer.